Go ahead.
Kylie, say hi.
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 Okay, ready? Now this one we're going to do without using your paper and pencil first, okay?
Okay.
So what I want you to do is think about some mental math. Think about the strategies that you know about hundreds and tens, okay? And first we're going to do an estimate, okay? So I'm going to read you. Tom has $403, okay? He spends $96. So estimate and tell me how much with estimation he has left. That's, you know what estimation is, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So estimate the best you can and tell me what you think.
Wasn't it 403?
So what are you gonna turn 403 into to make it easy for you to do mentally?
400?
Yeah. And how about 96? How about 96? What are we gonna?
Start your car? Oh.
What are you gonna do with 96?
100.
100. Okay. So now let's do it again. If Tom has 400 and he spent 100, what does he have left?
300.
Yeah. Okay. That's pretty good. And what were you thinking about when you did this estimate?
0 minus 10 minus, for the 0 I did 10 minus 9. And
Let's look at it this way. How about, I'm going to go like this. How about write this down? What did we estimate your 403 to?
400.
Okay. And what did you estimate your 96 to?
100.
Right. And why did you do that? Why did you make 403 400? How come you didn't make it 500?
Because it doesn't round to 500.
It rounds to 400?
Yeah.
Okay, and how about 96? How come you didn't make that 90? How come you made it 100?
Because 6 rounds to 10.
Very good. Okay, so now okay, so here's our original number. You ready? 403. Write it down. Minus 96. Do you think that's right? What was the answer to your estimation?
300.
Is that close to 300?
No.
No?
317.
317? You think it's 317? Why do you think it's 317? How come you have a 0 right there? Okay. But how did you get a 3 from this?
I did 4 minus 1.
Where's a 1? Do you see a 1 there?
No.
Then how did you get it?
From the 10 minus 9.
Yeah? Well, when you crossed out this 3, what did you turn it into?
13.
How come?
Because you can't do 3 minus 6.
Okay. So how did you get it from a 3 to a 13? What did you do? Okay, how about this? Can I try something else? Can we try something else?
Yeah.
Okay. How about if I do 17 minus 9? Now, without doing it without borrowing, what do you think that's going to be?
6.
How about this? What's 17 minus 10?
7.
Okay, so what do you think 17 minus 9 is?
6.
Try again. How about this one? Do you know doubles? Do you know what 9 plus 9 is?
Yeah.
What?
18.
Okay. So we have 17. What do you think that's going to be? If 9 plus 9 is 18, 9 plus what is 17?
6.
All right, let's try it like this. Ready? It's okay. We'll try it like this. Okay, ready? If I have 9 right here, and I have a 17 right here, how far do I have to go to get to 17?
8.
That's it, okay? You understand?
Yeah.
So, when you're doing it this way, you can't take 9 away from 7, right?
Yeah.
So what do you have to do here? Do we have to take this right here and turn it into this? We're taking 10 and bringing it to here.
Yeah.
You're unbundling this and adding it to this side?
Yeah.
Yeah? So let's try this number one more time. If we have 403 minus 96. We know our answer is going to be close to your estimation, right? That's what estimations do, help us. So let's try it one more time and see what you get. Okay, so if you took 10 and add it to here, what do you have to do to this number?
We could 10.
Okay, go ahead.
Make that a 3.
Okay. Now, when you see this number right here, 403, what does a 4 represent? 4 what?
Hundreds.
Okay. How many 10s do we have right here?
0.
How many 1s do we have right
3.
here? Right?
Yeah.
Okay. So, this is already saying that we have 0 right here. Can you want to help me out here?
Let me see our paper, the notes that we took.
You're doing good. You're doing good.
These questions don't really help. Do you want to use these to solve it, maybe?
Sure.
Try it
Yeah?
out? Okay.
All right, let's. Can you grab a couple more out of there?
Yeah.
Okay, grab that whole bag out. Okay, we're gonna try these because these are fun to play with.
So how many of these do you think you'll need?
4.
Okay.
Okay,
2, 3, 4.
that's a lot. That's 400. And then,
Do you need any of those?
do we need? Look at the problem. Do we need any of these?
No.
What else do we need?
3.
3. Okay, so now you have to take away.
How many do we have to take away?
96.
There's 96.
And how can you do that using these?
Yeah, how can I do that? These are all hundreds. How do I take away 96? Can I trade these in for something? Instead of using one of these, can I use something else?
Yeah.
What?
The 10.
Okay, so show me. Instead of one of these, show me what you're going to use.
To make 196.
Just to make
What
this...
whatever you think.
Yeah, whatever you think.
Yeah.
So what is this? What are all these? 100? Are you sure? Can you count for me and show me?
10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100.
Good job. Okay, so do we still have 400 here?
Yeah.
And 403?
Yeah.
Okay, so now, how are we going to take 96 away from this?
Take away some of these.
Show me. What are you taking away?
90,
10.
20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90.
Okay, now what?
And
We need 6 more. Now what are we going to do? We have 3 here and we have 10 here. What should we do? Can we trade these in for anything else?
Yeah.
What do you think?
For the 1,
How many?
10.
Go ahead, grab 10.
1, 2, and only 1.
We'll get rid of this.
Make it in.
Okay. So now, you took away 90. What else do you have to do?
Take away 3 of these. What's that?
What's your number?
96.
So we took away 90. What else should we take away?
6.
Okay,
1.
let's take them away. How many is there? 1, 2.
1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
So here's your 96 that we took away? Yeah? Okay, so what do we have left?
100, 200, 300, 301, 302, 303, 304, 305, 306, and 307.
So that sounds pretty good. Is that pretty good? Is that close to your estimation?
Yeah.
You think that's the right number?
Yeah.
I think so too. Yay! Okay.
Do you want me to do the next one?
Yeah, go ahead.
Okay. So which one is that?
R.
R. Should we do R or S? Could I do S and then
Yeah.
we'll go back to R and then?
Yeah.
Okay.
Absolutely. I'll get you in it.
So
Okay, ready? Let's see what Karina has for us.
now we're going to do some mental math. Read these aloud one at a time. Okay. So count for me by 10 starting at 40 and we're going to go up to 120.
40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120.
Can you write those down?
Yeah.
Okay, now we're going to start at 52 and we're going to count by tens up to 112.
Okay.
Can you do that first out loud before you write it
Yeah.
down?
52, 62, 72, 82, 92, 102, 112.
Okay, write those ones down. Okay, now I'm going to write a number on here, then I want you to say it out loud, the number that I wrote.
452.
Okay, what is 10 more than that number?
462.
Okay, can you write that down, please? And going back to our original number, what is 100 more than that number?
552.
Okay, write that down, please. Now I'm going to write down a new number on the thing. What is that number?
5,678.
Okay, and what is 100 more than that number?
5,778.
Okay, go ahead and write that. And going back to our original number, what is 200 less than that number?
3,600. Wait. 5,478.
Okay, write that one down, please.
Yeah, it's
You're doing good, Kylie.
Okay, now we're going to imagine counting by tens, kind of like what you did here. If I were to give you the number